Well, after 2 years of jumping in and out of this van, we finally decided to install a step. And rather than having Ford install it for us, we just got the product from them and decided to install it ourselves. And it was easy. Anybody could do this. We decided to go with the basic model, something that's not going to break over time and get in our way. We're pulling these little white guys out. You can see your little holes that they're coming out of. They're about every 5 or 6 inches. One tool that continues to be immensely helpful is this little pry tool. It's for your trim pieces, and use it to pull your trim pieces off without really damaging them. But over and over again, I've used this one little pry bar. There's several different kits that I'll actually link. Some that I think they're a little bit better. Metal is great, but it does sometimes scratch the paint, so I'll link down below some plastic ones. And as always, anytime that you purchase something from one of those links, we are affiliates with Amazon, so we do get a small portion of that, and to keep this channel rolling and growing. So we appreciate it in advance. So far, that thing clicks right in. Alright, hopefully you guys can see. But Ford has already put 2 studs in and then 2 holes. They provided us with the nut and the bolts. Let's get it done.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you let us know. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know if you used the tool. Let us know if you liked our design. Let us know if you don't like my face. We'll take it all. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.